Hi guys, bit of a rambling introduction to this video. I've already got another video where I'm talking about this helicopter that I bought in a charity shop today. I always say don't buy them. Two good reasons for not buying them. One, they nearly always need the battery replaced. Two, if they don't come with the transmitter, then you've got virtually no chance of getting it to fly. Well, I did buy this one because it was only £1, and I thought worst case scenario it will be handy for bits. That's my excuse for buying all sorts of junk. The blades look okay, and when I got it home I went through my bag full of transmitters. I've got quite a few of them, to see if any of them matched it. Well, one of them, that one, Silverlit one, has the right plug on it for charging it, and it did take charge. So this is currently fully charged. If I can reach in there and push the on-off switch. Yeah, it's fully charged, flashing lights, but even though that was the right transmitter to give it charged, Silverlit, it doesn't bind with it. So that one was no good. So I then tried all the other ones that I'd got. None of them worked. So I then started going through my boxes of helicopters that I bought in charity shops, because I've got quite a few. I haven't brought them all downstairs, but I've got quite a few. And none of them match it either, so we're no further forwards. But I've now got sidetracked. This one comes out of that box, missile launching helicopter, air attack, and I remembered that this one of the rotors, or at least one of the gears on the end of the rotor shaft, tends to slip. So I charged it up, gave it a go, and it flew for about 2 minutes. Then I bumped into a wall or something, and that loosened the gear on the shaft again. I think I hot glued it. No, super glued it, I should think. So now it doesn't work. It just spins round because one rotor is being controlled by the motors and the other one's just dragging, so it's got no gyroscopic effect. So it just spins round. So after that long introduction, what we're going to do is take this one apart again and see if I can fix the slipping gear. I've tried it once before. There will be a video, link in the video description to the playlist for this one, but we'll give it one more go, see if we can actually fix that slipping gear, because if we can fix it, it does fly quite nicely.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.